Changing your life may seem like a big challenge, but it all starts with a simple step: planning. Often, we feel stuck in a routine that doesn't satisfy us, or with the feeling that we are putting our dreams aside due to lack of time or organization. What if I told you that, with some practical actions, it is possible to completely transform your routine and move towards the life you desire? Today, I will show you simple tips on how to create a plan that can open new opportunities and make your daily life lighter and more efficient. But first, subscribe to the channel and help us reach 1,000 subscribers to grow our community of powerful women. The first step is to look inward and define your priorities as a woman. Ask yourself, what is most important to you right now? It could be taking better care of your health, investing in your career, dedicating time to self-care, or trying a new activity. List 3 to 5 main goals. Don't be afraid to be honest with yourself at this stage. Remember, your planning should reflect what makes sense for your life and not for the lives of others. After identifying the priorities, it's time to write everything down. Taking paper and pen or using an app on your phone makes all the difference. Write down the goals you want to achieve in the coming months. For example, I want to wake up earlier, I want to exercise 3 times a week, or I want to learn something new. Writing it down makes everything clearer and helps you visualize the path to follow. Now, let's talk about schedules and routines. The routine, contrary to what many people think, doesn't have to be boring. It can be your great ally. To start, create a weekly agenda. Set aside fixed commitments, such as work, studies, taking care of children, and fit in spaces for your personal goals. You don't need to fill every hour, but leave at least half an hour a day dedicated to something you want to cultivate. If you are the type who prefers to wake up later, try setting your alarm just 15 minutes earlier each week until you can make better use of your mornings. Small changes make a huge difference in the long run. At the end of the day, take a little time to review what you managed to accomplish. And if you didn't get something done, that's okay. Adjusting the plan is part of the process. Be flexible with yourself and celebrate every small achievement. Another essential tip is to learn to say no. Many women end up overwhelmed trying to please everyone and forget about themselves. Don't be afraid to set boundaries. Your time is precious and needs to be respected. Use your schedule to see what really fits into your day, and if necessary, delegate tasks or postpone less important commitments. It is also very useful to have tools that make your organization easier. There are free apps that help you create calendars, task lists, reminders, all in a practical and visual way. Try the one that makes the most sense for you, but the important thing is not to rely solely on memory. Writing things down and visualizing them is essential to avoid getting lost in the rush. Finally, get inspired. Follow profiles of women who motivate you, share your progress with friends, and create an environment where you feel supported. Every step towards a better life deserves to be remembered. Remember, changing your life is not luck. It is decision and attitude. With planning, routine, and self-awareness, you can achieve everything you have always desired. Start today, no matter how small the step. The important thing is to get moving and trust in your potential. You deserve to be the protagonist of your story. Did you like the video? Give it a thumbs up and write a comment. Oh, and of course, share it with your friends.